Hi guys, here's a little video to show you how to enter our virtual classroom. So what you're looking at is our home screen. So we're going to start with course tools at the top of your taskbar and then scroll all the way to the bottom to virtual classroom. And I've already got the dates set up for the rest of the semester for our meeting times. Again, we meet Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1:30. I've started a fake class just to show you guys how to enter, but what you'll see on Tuesday is this English 123, and then looking to the right is the date and time that it will begin. So when you click within here in the meetings, you'll then click on those three little dots to the right. That's an action column, and you'll click on launch. And this will open up the information that you need about the class, what the date is, the time, your name, and then you'll click on join. Once you enter the class, it's going to give you the option to have your microphone on or off, and I'm going to ask you guys to start with it off just so that the background noise doesn't interfere with your fellow students listening to the lecture. So click on listen only.
The only person in this conference.
And to turn that on and off, you will click on this headphone icon on the bottom. So if you want to ask a question, just turn your microphone back on, and then people will be able to hear you. I'll be able to hear a question that you're asking. And I am asking you to turn your webcam on so that we can create some community and that I can see that you're engaged with the course. So I'm not going to click on it now because it interferes with the video that I am making right now, but you'll click here where it says share webcam, and again, that can come on and off. So that is how you get to the classroom. Another thing that I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of is back in that virtual classroom page, underneath all of the listed class meeting times, the classes will be automatically recorded. So if you're late, if you miss a scheduled virtual meeting, they will be recorded right at the bottom here, so you can watch them later at your own time. So that should clear up any confusion about how to participate in the live lectures, but if you're still confused, obviously shoot me an email and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thanks guys!